Welcome to the Eagle Artek installation tutorial. The Eagle Artek is a compact opening sensor for automatic doors. The following elements are included in the box. Before installing the sensor, always carefully read the user's guide. To start, prepare the tools needed for the installation of the sensor. By inserting and twisting a screwdriver in the left or right notch, you can remove the cover. Have a look at the sensor to locate its different parts. The main connector, the Artek antenna, the LEDs, the push buttons, and the cover. Here are some basic principles you should know before getting started. The product can be installed on any type of automatic door: swing, revolving, sliding. We will show you the installation on a swing door. On the closing side, you must install one sensor in the middle. Best at 25 centimeters above the door leaves. The sensor can be mounted directly on the door, fixed with a bracket, or mounted in the ceiling using dedicated accessories. The rain cover can be an additional protection against extreme weather conditions. By using the retrofit interface, you can easily exchange an Eagle by an Eagle Artek. Thanks to the Artek Inside technology, the field shape can now be adjusted without changing the antenna. Step 1. Mounting and wiring. You can use the mounting template to position the sensor correctly. Drill one hole for the cable and pull it through. Drill 2 holes for the screws or use self-drilling screws. Position the sensor and make sure it is firmly fixed. Plug the connector to the sensor. Connect the cable to the door controller by connecting red and black to the power supply, the yellow wires to the opening function. When the sensor flashes red, it is powered. Step 2. Field angle adjustments. You can adjust the field angle manually. Turn the antenna from 0 to 90 degrees vertically and -30 degrees to 30 degrees horizontally to find the correct angle position. Step 3. Field settings. Adjustment of the 3 main parameters is possible by push buttons: field size, field shape, and immunity. To adjust the size of the field, push minus to decrease the size and plus to increase it. To adapt the field shape, a long push on the minus button enters the menu. The right LED turns purple. Then use plus and minus to change from a narrow to a wide field. A long push on the minus button exits the menu. To adapt the immunity filter, a long push on the plus button enters the menu. The right LED turns yellow. Then use plus and minus to adjust it. A long push on the plus button exits the menu. For adjustments by remote control, see the user's guide. Good to know. To reset to factory values, push both push buttons for more than 4 seconds until the LEDs flash red. Well done! The installation of your Eagle Artek is now completed. Thank you for watching our tutorial.